still terrifying for a teenager who had had no previous contact with psychiatry.
You can't have any breakfast that morning, and a small ambulance comes and picks up other patients on the way and took me to another part of the building where they give ECT. We were given an injection in his arm that's to dry your mouth apparently and stops you swallowing your tongue, as one nurse said, when you're having a fit. I was scared, yeah, I mean I'm even scared of just having an anaesthetic full stop, never mind the thought of electric shocks going into your brain. Wanted it all to stop then and tried to sort of fight them to stop them doing it.